Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a swipe on a long rectangle canvas. So I'm going to take you down, I'm going to show you what we need, and then we're going to start. And stick around till the end of the video, and we're going to have a beautiful painting at the end of this. So come along and see how we do it. Okay, so this is what I have. I have taken a kitchen roll and I have cut up pieces of this kitchen roll, a whole bunch of them. They're all pretty much the same size. They don't have to be exact. I'm just going to get these now out the way. And these are going to be what we swipe with. Now keep in mind, this is how I do my swipes. This is how I like to do them. Different people do them different ways. This is just how I like to do them. Okay, my swipe, pardon me, my swipe color is going to be white. So I've got my white paint there, I've got my silicone oil, and then I've got a little tub, any old tub or plate or anything to put the paint in. And I have water to water that down, because the swipe color that you put down, you can use any color you want really, but the swipe color needs to be thinner consistency than the rest of your paints. Now I've got a stir stick to go with the white. I've got 2 cups that I'm going to fill with paint. That should be enough to cover this canvas. And then I've just got a whole bunch of paint here, different colors that I'm going to be putting in the cups. Maybe I should get 3 cups. That should be enough for the canvas. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to mix the cell activator, the white. Let's just get it all out here. I'm just going to mix it straight into here. Can you see it? Yeah. Right, so I'm going to be putting some white into this tub. You don't need too much of it because it's just the swipe color, but you also don't want to run out, so I might as well. So that is the white. I've just put, I don't know if you can see that, but just a little bit of white in there. Into there, I'm going to put at least 10 drops of silicone, because the purpose of this white is to create cells. So I might as well put a lot of silicone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that should do. And now we are going to water it down, because it needs to be thinner consistency to the rest of the paints. So I'm going to just little bit by little bit add some water to it and mix it up. And that's very thin. Yep, that'll do. Now, probably when I pour this paint out, it's going to make a beautiful painting just as it is. But anyway, it's just how it goes, isn't it? So just move that to the side. And we're just going to put paint. Just take some black and just add here where there's no paint. Should be enough paint on the canvas now to tilt. No, it doesn't matter because it just needs to cover the canvas. So just tilt it so it covers the canvas. Okay. You can see the cells are already starting to form. When we finished, we will torch it. Okay. Come on. Down. And the last one. And down. Okay, now we just need to torch it or hit it with a heat gun. And you can see a lot more cells have come up now since since torching it. I can bring you down. Now, I doubt you'll be able to tilt anything. A little bit. I don't want to tilt too much. I don't want to stretch everything. But maybe just a little bit. Just to open up the cells a little bit bigger. But I don't want to stretch it too much. Right, so this is what it looks like. Some really pretty colors. Really, really pretty cells. That's very pretty, like that, and there. I mean, the whole painting, I think, came out really, really pretty. I do like the colors. I like the white, with the color popping out from under the white. I do like that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Looks like lace. Looks exactly like lace. Look at that. So yeah, no, I like this painting as it is. Look at that. I mean, that is beautiful. I love that. So yeah, everybody, thank you for joining me on this video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I really appreciate all the help I can get to grow this channel so that I can get art to more people. That is my whole aim in this whole story, is to show people that you can create really beautiful paintings. I mean, it's not difficult. These techniques are not difficult. You just need to know how to do the technique, and you can create beautiful paintings like this one. So, join me on the next video, please, and we're going to create some more beautiful paintings, because that's what we do here. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.